Hello, today I will show you how to make cookies. First of all, you need 85 grams of butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a packet of vanilla sugar, 150 grams of flour, 100 grams of chocolate chips, 85 grams of sugar, and half 1 teaspoon of salt. In a bowl, mix the sugar with a softened butter. Then add the vanilla sugar and an egg.
Huh?
And pour the flour. And pour the baking powder, salt, and chocolate chips.
Il y a le ciseau là-bas.
Mix everything. Prepare a baking sheet and cover it with a baking paper. Use your hands to form pasta nuts and space them out. Then put in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees. It is ready! Very It's very good. It's very good. It's very good.
我是你的小情人，你是我的小男神。